Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Today's news about PM Narendra Modi's surprise visit to Ladakh. This is from Ladakh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday made a surprise visit to Ladakh and was briefed by senior officers at a forward position in Nimmu amid ongoing tension with China. The Prime Minister was accompanied by Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narawane. PM Modi, accompanied by CDs, reached Leh around 9:30 am in morning. Later, he arrived in Nimmu, the headquarters of the Nimmu block in Leh district. It is situated at 11,000 feet and surrounded by Zangskar range. In Zimmu, he interacted with Army, Air Forces and ITBP personnel. The PM was also briefed by senior officials at a forward position. The PM interacted with troops as he sat in a camouflage tent at a military base. A photo uploaded on Modi's Instagram account showed. Sources has earlier informed about CD's Rawat's visit to Leh today. On Thursday, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's planned visit to Ladakh on Friday has been rescheduled. Singh was to visit Ladakh to take stock of India's military preparedness in the region. Be it Leh, Ladakh, Kargil or the Siachen Glacier, be it the high mountains or the icy cold water that flows in the river, these are testimony on the gallantry of India's armed force. The enemies of India have seen the fire and fury of our forces. The time for expansion is over. This is the era of development. This is the mindset of expansionism that did great harm. India's commitment to peace should not be seen as India's weakness. Expenditure on border infrastructure has been enhanced 3 times. In the evening, Prime Minister Narendra Modi met soldiers who were injured in Galwan Valley clash of June 15 and delivered a message to the soldiers. The brave who left us, they did not depart without reason. All of you gave a uplifting reply. Your bravery, the blood you shed will inspire the youth and countrymen for generations, said PM Modi while interacting with the soldiers. A message has gone to the world about the valor shown by the bravers, the way you stood up to the powers. The world wishes to know who are these braves, what is their training, what is their sacrifice. The world is analyzing your bravery, PM Modi said. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for making a surprise visit to Ladakh amid border tensions with China and meeting the soldiers. The borders of the country have always been secure under the Indian Army. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting Ladakh to meet and encourage the soldiers and certainly boosted the morale of the army. I commend the Prime Minister's move and thank him for it, Singh tweeted in Hindi. That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.